Hi guys, this is Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing with your 5-minute home management ideas. Number one, update your family calendar. Add upcoming appointments, school events, and deadlines in your paper or your digital calendar. Number two, rotate seasonal entryway items. Swap out those coats, shoes, or umbrellas for the current season and store the others away. Right here in the Rio Grande Valley, we are swapping out our summer right now for the upcoming fall season. We don't get too cold until November, so it's just a work in progress right now. All right, number three is to restock household paper goods if you use them. And we all use, well, when I say when we use them, I just mean paper plates and napkins, but we all use toilet paper. So let's replace that toilet paper roll, refill the paper towel holders, and check the tissue. Like I said, fall season comes up in November, so we will eventually need some tissue. Number four, prep tomorrow's outfits for the family. Lay out clothes, shoes, accessories to avoid the morning scramble. 5 minutes every evening before bed. Five, check and refill pet food water stations. Wipe that area and ensure the pets have fresh food and water. Maybe stick those bowls in the dishwasher. Six, water indoor plants if you have them, and check for dead leaves. Give each plant a quick checkup while watering. Number seven, run a small appliance maintenance task. Clean the coffee maker filter, empty the vacuum canister, or rinse the dishwasher filter. Now, my dishwasher, I don't think has one, but if you have one. Number eight, create a quick to-do list for the day or week. Jot down 3 to 5 of your top priority items to keep your day on track. Number nine, restock an emergency kit or a first aid box. Check expired dates and refill missing supplies like Band-Aids or batteries. Number 10, gather and take out all household trash. Empty those bins in bathrooms, bedrooms, and offices into one bag for easy disposal. All right, guys, before we did some 1-minute decluttering short videos, and these are your 5-minute tasks. We broke them down into home management, decluttering, and office or work, guys. So I hope this helps, and I will see you on the next one.